Still no message? No, hey you, at 2 a.m. Let's be real. If they cared, wouldn't they have reached out by now? Or maybe they're just a mess. Let's see what's really going on in their head. Welcome. You're here because someone's been ghosting, silent, or acting like you don't exist. But you know that story isn't over. Before we jump in, choose one of the 5 piles in front of you. Each one holds 3 tarot cards, upright or reversed. Breathe in. Trust your gut. Pick the pile that pulls at you. Pile 1, cards. The Star, upright. Knight of Pentacles, reversed. 10 of Wands, upright. Their energy. They still believe in something between you. The Star shows hope, but the Knight of Pentacles reversed? They're moving so slow it's embarrassing. 10 of Wands? They're overwhelmed. With life, guilt, or both. They haven't stopped caring. They've just stopped coping. Their feelings. They're stuck. They don't want to let you go, but they also don't know how to show up. It's not that they don't care. It's that they're avoiding responsibility like a pro. What you should know. This isn't love that's died. It's love buried under pressure and fear. They'll resurface, but don't pause your life waiting. Pile 2 cards. 3 of Swords, upright. The Fool, reversed. The Empress, upright. Their energy. This one's hurting. Period. The 3 of Swords shows heartbreak. They're either regretful or still reeling from what went down. The Fool reversed? They want to start again but are scared they'll screw it up again. The Empress? That's you. They see your worth, now that you're gone. Their feelings. They're grieving this, silently. They see you as someone who gave everything, and they're realizing they didn't match that. There's guilt, fear, and admiration here. What you should know. They're not as detached as they look. They're emotionally bruised. They'll come back when they've grown, if they grow. If they don't, you're better off, because you are the Empress. Pile 3, cards. 7 of Cups, reversed. King of Wands, upright. 4 of Swords, reversed. Their energy. This person is finally seeing things clearly. 7 of Cups reversed. Illusions falling. The King of Wands? They're thinking about taking action, but the 4 of Swords reversed? They're restless, full of thoughts, but no game plan yet. Their feelings. They're trying to act strong and unbothered, but inside, they're chaotic. They miss the attention, the energy, you. They're low-key obsessed, but pride is in the way. What you should know. They're watching you. Don't doubt it. They want to come forward, but they're not sure what you'll do. Keep shining. It's driving them wild. Pile 4. Cards. 8 of Cups. Reversed. The Devil. Upright. Page of Cups. Upright. Their energy. Oh, they tried to walk away, but guess what? They can't. 8 of Cups reversed says they're still emotionally tied. The Devil? It's obsession, toxic habits, or emotional control. The Page of Cups shows they want to say something sweet, but they might not know how. Their feelings. They still want you, badly, but it's tangled up with control, fear, and unhealthy dynamics. This might have been passionate, but also messy. What you should know. This connection isn't over, but you need to ask. Do you want intensity or do you want peace? They'll come back, but will it be different? Pile 5. Cards. Temperance. Upright. Queen of Pentacles. Upright. The Tower. Upright. Their energy. They're calm now, or pretending to be. Temperance shows they're trying to find peace, maybe after a blow-up. Tower. Queen of Pentacles? They still respect and value you, but they also know they messed up big. They feel like they shook the foundation. Their feelings. They care, deeply. But they're trying to stabilize their life, and part of them thinks you're too good for them. That tower moment haunts them. What you should know: they might not come back right away, but they will. Whether to apologize, rebuild, or finally say what they never did. Get ready. Don't let silence trick you. People stay quiet for all kinds of reasons: fear, guilt, ego. But feelings? They don't just vanish. Drop your pile in the comments. Like, subscribe, and share if this hit home. And remember, if they can't show up for you, don't sit around waiting. You deserve love that's loud, clear, and real.